Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REDBEAT E3 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on the languages and tap on system languages. So here we have to tap on add a language, and as you can see we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose, so simply find yours and tap on it. Let me choose Greek. As you can see, this language has been immediately applied to this list, however the English in my case is still a main one. So all we have to do is to reorder the languages. So let's tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Let's tap on change. And as you can see, from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Again change, and again we've got English or any other language applied. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the languages you want to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and you've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.